Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. Okay, so, as you've seen lately, my housemate spoiled me with some new molds for her Resinween. And so one of those new molds is this awesome Halloween lantern set. I had not even seen this on, well, anywhere, really. Not that I shop a lot of places, but definitely not on Amazon. It's so cute, and it comes with 4 panels, so you've got the ghosts and some, tombstones. You got the poltergeist, you know, they're poltergeist because there's more than one. Anyway, you got the stack of jack-o'-lanterns, very cute. You've got this adorable spider. I love spiders, so I'm happy about that. And the beautiful little witch making a potion. And then it also comes with the base and the top. So, I was checking out their Amazon link because my housemate said that there was a really cool video on there showing how to assemble and everything. And they had taken like some kind of clay or something, and they had blocked off these areas here and did a different color on the inside than they did on the outside. I'm not going to do that right now. I will eventually, probably not this Halloween, but, you know, maybe eventually down the line in my channel. And the main reason for that is I just don't have the time right now. Because it would consist of 3 separate pours. And the reason why it would be 3 is because originally, when I was thinking of trying to do that, I wanted to pour this a color and then the round part of the lantern, the wall part, I guess, the lantern black. But if I were to do that, right, that would be 2 pours. But in order to get the black all the way to the top, it goes over this part. So this part is lower than this part is, right? Let me see if I can show you. So you can see this part is a lot lower than this part. And so the black would just completely block out the color, and it would be null and void. At that point, you would just have a black lantern that the candlelight is not going through. So, and because I don't have the time, we're just going to pour this in orange. We're just going to make it a fluorescent orange, and I will be happy with that. So, I'm going to go ahead and get my resin warmed up and mixed up, and we will pour this in, and I will show you how to assemble. I'm really excited to see how it looks once it's all complete. It's also a really good size. So, yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. friends, it's done. It's cured. It's nice and hard. I let it sit for a few extra hours. So this is not going to be the most spectacular thing yet. However, I might decide that I want to color some of the panels. Like color the, you know, like the tombstones and the ghosties or something, you know. Not quite sure yet. I'm excited to see how it looks all put together. Yes, this would have looked a lot better if I had taken the time to do what I really wanted to do. Although, now that I'm looking at it like this, right? Now that I'm looking at it like this, before I demold the rest. So, it's got the little outline divots. What if I filled those in with black? Okay, nope, my mind is blown. Okay, so, we're going to do that. I'm going to put posting this off one more day. We're going to do that. Yes, I really like that idea. First thing I want to do, though, is just to see how this fits. Is that? Yes, that's supposed to be like that. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. And that's probably going to be so much easier, you know, than the other way I was going to do it. Okay. So, got a little witch. Yeah, with a little fire. Okay. Okay, so this is the base. Okay, so it goes like this. Got it. And then this one, like this. Got it. Okay, I think. And then these go in here. Okay. Good. And then the side panels. Okay. Yep, I think I got it. I just wanted to make sure that I was doing this correctly. So let's take that off. Let's put this on. If it'll go on. Oh. It's just a teeny tiny little bit of resin blocking me right here. Okay. So, as I was saying, these panels go in here. It's a tight squeeze, but it is going in, so that's good. Luckily, I let this sit for a couple extra hours before trying all of this. Okay, so let's do this panel next. Oh, that one went in a lot easier. Okay. And then we need the base right here, I think. Oh, I see what I did. I put this one in upside down. Okay, let's try that again. We will get there eventually, okay? We will. And we will make it look a lot harder than it probably should be. Good. Okay. Okay, nope. I get it now. I hear you yelling at me. I hear it. I can even hear it all the way from New Zealand. I hear you yelling at me. I will get there. We will do this. Okay, so we got that side started. Let's get this side started. Okay, good. Yes. Yes, queen. Okay, and then this slides in. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. Gotta get that down. Excuse me, sir. Go in the hole. Okay. That's what she said. Alright, and then this slots into the top. And there we go. Hey, look at that. We did it. We have put it together. That is so great. Yay! And then you can just hang it up from the top here, I guess. Okay. Anyway, we're going to take it apart. And I'm going to finish off these little, like I said, the little divot areas with black. I think it would look so good. So, yes, while this was originally going to be the end of this video, it is not anymore. I'm going to extend this video a little bit and just finish those off. I think it'll look really cool. And yeah. So, bear with me. I need to mix up a little bit more resin, okay? All right. All right, friends. I'm so happy with my decision. I'm so glad that I put this off for a whole other day so that I could do this, because look how cool they look now. Right? I mean, I'm so freaking happy. Oh no, I forgot to fill in the ghosties' faces. Oh well, they're ghosts. They don't have shadows in their eyes and mouths, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to put this together again, because all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put a Halloween lantern together again. Alright. Man, that snaps on pretty. Okay. And then this one. Perfect. And then this one. can. Y'all saw me do this before. Okay, so there's one side started. Okay, perfect. And now the bottom. You know, I did the same damn thing the first time. I put the spider on the wrong way. Okay, let's try this one more time. There we go. Alright. Yes. Did I just put it? Oh my God, y'all. I'm gonna have a stroke. I could have swore that I flipped it. I could have swore that I flipped it. Am I living in an alternate reality right now? Okay. Okay. There we go. She's together. And it looks great. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I'm very happy with that decision. Alright guys, I gotta run, but that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.